Hey guys, what's up? Oh, got a bird river. Yeah, bright eyes. Got a bird for daddy. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Sound like a little mouse, huh? Oh, but when she gets mad, she can really give her. Oh, I'll hold her up this way. Oh, come here. Thanks to my lady Paige, brought me this little angel. Yeah. Oh, da. Mama. Yeah, I did a video about you. And you look at her looking at me. Oh, don't cry. I got you. You gonna burp for daddy? Burp, burp, burp. I know. Yeah. Oh, yes, look at her. Oh, take a look at her. Look at that. Bright eyes. Hi, baby. So good girl. Yes, I talked to Mommy's belly up. Belly when you were in there. Then you recognize my voice. I said, hey, dad. Play music and everything. This is LL77 in River. Yeah, y'all have a wonderful day. I gotta burp my baby. Peace. And then I gotta go use the can and have a number 2. Yep. Peace.